Hey everybody, so today I'll be showing you how to get dark blue braids. I use Expressions hair, which I don't recommend if you are doing this for the first time because it got really tangled. But anyway, and I use Shine and Jam. I use edge control and a brush and a mirror to see the back of my hair.
Okay, so I went ahead and did 2 on this side and 2 on this side, and I just went like where my ear was, like the front of my ear, and I put a line there. So what I'm gonna do to do my front is connect these boxes at the top. So it dawned on me when I was making this video in the middle of it that everybody might not know how to do the braid out, so I'm going to be teaching you how to do that too. And you grab the piece with your middle finger and just pull it like this. So when you do it, you have 3 pieces. Your right hand holding one part, your left hand holding the other. You take your middle finger of your left hand. I'm right-handed, so you take your left hand, you grab it, you get a grip, and you pull it in. So here, pull it in, twist. Then, you see how the left one becomes your middle? You just grab it again. And then you grab the middle again. Your middle is changing. You just keep grabbing the middle with your middle finger. Okay, so I have to stretch out the hair at the ends. And to stretch it out, see, it's getting everywhere. Everywhere. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it a stretch. It's so little. I don't think it works. When sectioning the hair, you want one piece bigger than the other. My method was to have 3 identical pieces, and I put 2 of them together and put the remaining piece over the bigger one so the braid would be even. When it comes to the section of your real hair, you can undo it completely or keep some of the braid out. I placed the section braiding hair over the area and kept it in place with my finger to grip. Then I used my real hair as the 3rd strand and continued to braid. If you are using this method, it is important that you section your hair properly so that the top of your hair won't be noticeably bigger than the rest of the braid. This is the second method I use for the back of my hair. This way is the more traditional way and it gives you a more equal braid on the top. To use this method, I still secure the top with my finger and keep it in the position I wanted it. Instead of using your real hair as a third strand, I sectioned my real hair into 3 strands and did a normal braid out. For me, the key to it staying in place was me holding it in place before beginning. Also, I lift it up so I can make sure that the braid was in the middle of the section. I actually like this way better because it was more equal. But if you are just starting out and you like the first way better, that's fine too. Half of my head is that method and half is this one. And this is my finished result. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tune in for next week's video where I'll be doing different styles with my braids.